Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about depositing cash into your Koho account. Yes, you can deposit cash into your Koho account. Koho has partnered with Canada Post to make this possible. To deposit cash, you'll need to use the Koho app. First, open the Koho app and go to the Add Money section. From there, select the option to add cash and find your nearest Canada Post location. Once you are at a Canada Post, you will need to present a unique QR code from the app to the clerk. You will also need to show a government-issued photo ID. The clerk will then process your cash deposit. Please note there are minimum and maximum amounts you can deposit. The minimum amount is $10 per transaction, and the maximum is $3,000 per transaction and per 24 hours. There is also a $10,000 limit per 30 days. Deposits under $150 may have a small processing fee, but this fee is waived for those on a Koho plan or for deposits over $150. Your funds should appear in your account within about 10 minutes. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.